Fellow members, Don Ray, we just got out of the annual meeting, and I wanted to explain to you a little bit more about what the challenge coin is that we just handed out. On one side is a picture of our home, the home of the PGA. And we're alumni of that. We're recruiters of that. We're the boosters of that. And that's where memories are made. That's where every future PGA professional will go to get educated. And so every decision we make is going to be based on the home of the PGA, not because who works in there, the 300 amazing staff members that we have, but who lives there, the 31,000 PGA golf professionals. And that's what that side of the coin means, and I want you to think about when you look at it. As far as the second side of the coin, Wes, if you could explain why you picked the phrase you did.
Don, in Hawaii, we have a phrase, or olelo no eaus, wise sayings of the islands. And one of the phrases that I wanted to pick touches on our togetherness and doing tasks that are great and doing them together. And in Hawaii, we would say, a'ohe hana nui ke aluia. No task is too great when done together. And that's where this relationship begins, Don, right here today with you, between the sections, between everybody at HQ for the 30,000 members of the PGA of America.
Absolutely. And so every time you look at that coin, I want you to see how close Wes and I are standing together. That's how close you'll stand with your staffs, at your sections. That's how close you'll stand with your fellow PGA professional. This is how close you'll stand when you're mentoring an associate or a student at one of the PGM universities. There is no doubt we're better together. I'll see you down the road.